Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Yeah. Bamba gold inna the bambos, yeah man. Early morning, sun arise, steam arise from the chalice eye. Me sit by tree, birds them sing, meditation deep, me feel everything. Me nah rush, me nah chase goal, me just a vibe, let the wisdom unfold. Me light one draw, me soul get calm. Inna the silence, me hear just psalms. One draw, one love, rising high like a dove. From roots to the star above, me carry the fire, me carry the love. One draw, one soul, freedom deep, me feel whole. Me burn it slow, me take control. The healing green, it play me role. Me walk barefoot pan sacred land, feel the heartbeat of Jah hand. Me no need no chain or car, me ride rhythm from near to far. I tell in a pot, steam well nice. Pepper, coconut, herbs and spice. Me chant for joy, me chant for peace. Me chant until the trouble cease. Smoke curl like spiral sky. Take me high but keep me wise. It no a drug, it a holy thing. Like drums that talk like Lion King. Me burn the chalice, not fi hide, but fi open gates on the inside. Me float, me fly, but me still stay. One foot on earth, one foot in Jah way. One draw, one love. Me link me mind to stars above. No hate, no war, no shove. Just peace and vibes like turtle dove. One draw, one soul. Me heal me heart, regain control. In a Jah Light, me play me role. Me reggae keep me spirit whole. Me see the youth them gather round with Naya bingy drum and sacred sound. We burn the fire, we sip some tea. We chant till the mind walk free. Me tell them breathe, hold firm and clear. Each breath a step, fi draw Jah near. Them not done hum like river run. This reggae vibe a just begun. One draw, one love, one fire. Rasta guide from up above. One draw, one love, one fire. Rasta guide from up above.
Smoking chalice in the jungle.
Yeah, man.
Barefoot me step on red earth clay. Me feel the pulse from an ancient day. Drum a beat like thunder roll. Echo deep down in a me soul. Me eye closed but me see clear. Spirit calling from far and near. Me nah need no plan, no map. Jah rhythm guide me step by step. Heartbeat inna the drum, me say. Calling all soul fi come, me say. Dancing round the sacred fire. Lift your spirit, take you higher. Boom, 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 it not lie. It a the truth we can't deny. From Zion plain to African coast, we chant for life, we chant for growth. Me see me sister spin with breeze. Her foot them talk like them at ease. Me brother watch on them ancient word. No page, no book, just spirit heard. We now wear chain, we wear crown. Rasta robe in a rootsy gown. Me spirit rise like morning sun. When me feel the rhythm, me and it become one. Me say, who hear the drum? We hear the drum. Who ready fi dance? We ready fi dance. Who carry light? We carry light. Who walk with Jah? We walk with Jah. Hard teeth inna the drum. Me say, rhythm beat strong like lion breath. Tide of spirit, wave of sound. Lift we up and spin we round. Fire blaze in a cool night here. Drum line open up a prayer. Me not fear, me not fall. Drum make me rise, make me stand tall. Me lose me name but find me root. Me dance barefoot, me pick wild fruit. The rhythm not come from speaker box. It rise from stone, from wind, from rocks. Every beat a memory born from when me ancestors did one. Stay true to your heart and breath. Drum will guide you upon life and death. Boom, 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 me feel it strong. The drum still beat though the night is long. Circle tight, we not go straight. We follow the drum till break of day. Yeah, hey.
Yeah, 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 Jamaican. Hash, I'll smoke ya, man. Under the moon, me light up me spliff. Me soul start float like a natural lift. Ganja whisper like river breeze. Cool and calm, it bring me peace. Me sit on the rock near the old fig tree. Me reason with Jah silently. No noise, no rush, just breath and fire. Me soul start dance like holy choir. In a ganja moonlight meditation, me find deep inner elevation. No more stress, no separation. Just I and I in creation. Me say blaze the herb, watch it rise. Lift your soul to Jah skies. Under stars, me feel so free. High but grounded like root of tree. Me remember how granny did say, nature hold the key every night, every day. So me walk far from city light. Visit with Jah in the heart of night. Me burn a chalice with reverence deep. Every puff make me heart leap. It's not for hype, not for show. It's a sacred thing if you really know. Me not chase vanity, me chase peace. Ganja guide me, it never cease. Through smoke me see, me real reflection. No mask, no shame, just pure connection. Boom shaka shaka, boom inna me chest. Ganja bring me spirit rest. Boom shaka shaka, heart open wide. Jah love flow like the ocean tide. In a ganja moonlight meditation, me drift in a higher vibration. No worry, no war, just inspiration from Jah source divine foundation. Me walk slow, every step with care. Me not rush the life, me aware. Me trod light with herbs in hand. Me overstand Jah master plan. Morning come with golden glow. Me smile wide, me spirit grow. The night bring wisdom, the herb bring sight. Me ready again, feel live the light. Me drum start beat inside me mind. Me feel myself in a perfect time. No illusion, no pretension. just reggae, ganja and meditation. So if you feel lost in a Babylon scene, come find the stillness green and clean. Light up your truth, inhale your faith. Sit with Jah before it's too late. Oh.
Yeah, is a yarn in a the puff, yeah, man. Me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. On the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. On the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's hall. This is the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youth live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow. Like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map. Just ears for listen and time for nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner hold a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright. We burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay on the rhythm for a while. I tell pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me welter with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under Jah sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. On the roots highway, come what may.
Yeah, man, Zion Roots is back.
Me rise up early pon Babylon day. Them got cameras in sky, still me kneel and pray. Me now wear crown, but me soul royal. Me heart beat truth, me roots loyal. Them build them walls from fear and stone, but love cut through like it full grown. Me now walk blind in the kingdom of lies. Me watch them fall while me spirit rise. Me see the chains dressed up in gold. Them sell freedom, but me nah sold. Me hold me faith like fire in hand. Iron curtains fall, but golden hearts stand. Golden hearts in a world so cold. We shine bright, never do what we told. System try fi blind with sight, but we rise with love, we chant for light. Iron curtains can't stop Jah breeze. Me soul a dance in the rebel trees. No man own the breath me take. Golden hearts nah bend, nah break. Them want me fi bow, want me fi hush, but me words a flame, me tongue a brush. Me paint revolution pon concrete wall. A mural of freedom fi one and all. Them play the puppet, them pull the string, but me hear Jah music, me only sing. Me nah take orders from no machine. Me soul clean, me vision green. Me hear the elders speak through rain. Them suffer long, them feel the pain. Now me carry torch, me light the dark. In a jungle city, me leave a mark. Golden hearts in a world so cold. We shine bright, never do what we told. System try fi blind with sight, but we rise with love, we chant for light. Iron curtains can't stop Jah breeze. Me soul a dance in the rebel trees. No man own the breath me take. Golden hearts nah bend, nah break. Me nah seek fame, me nah chase gold. Me hold me ground, me spirit bold. Them fear the truth, them fear the drum, but me roots deep, me nah go run. Every lie them feed, me reject. Me walk with love, me gain respect. Me nah need no weapon, just me mind. Me words a spark, me vibes divine. Me look pon the youth, me see the fire. Them eyes full of truth, full of desire. Them ready fi rise, them ready fi burn. Golden hearts wait fi Babylon turn. Golden hearts in a world so cold. We shine bright, never do what we told. System try fi blind with sight, but we rise with love, we chant for light. Iron curtains can't stop Jah breeze. Me soul a dance in the rebel trees. No man Zion roots. Me step on street where silence reign, but me ears still catch the echo of pain. Them dress it up in shiny coat, but underneath a dark road. Me walk with ancient eye wide open. Them speaking lies, but me not broken. Me feel the tension in the air like truth a knock, but them not care. Me pass the youth stuck in phone trance. Me whisper Rasta, take a chance. Fi see beyond the flashing screen, where Jah vision always been. Me not in a rush, me take me time. Each footstep beat a rebel rhyme. Them system code like steel and glass, but soul still burn in the roots mass. Voices behind the veil still sing. Through Babylon eyes, me hear them ring. Them call me name from distant place. Fi bring back love, fi bring back grace. Voices behind the veil so true. Them guide me steps, them pull me through. Me chant fi light in this concrete jail. Me walk with voices behind the veil. Them push the fear, them sell the cure, but me know Jah law forever pure. Me nah swallow every pill them give. Me choose to reason, me choose to live. In a world of clones and plastic vibe, me build me temple, me create me tribe. Me circle small but soul them strong. We nah go left, we nah go wrong. Them feed illusion through the wire, but me light fire, me climb higher. Each verse me chant break chain and live. Me lyrics rise like morning sky. Me see the elders in me dream. Them walk through smoke, them walk through steam. Them tell me sing, don't ever hide. Your words are both through wicked tide. Voices behind the veil still sing. Through Babylon them pull me through. Me chant for light in this concrete jail. Me walk with voices behind the veil. Me not fear them shadow throne. Me carry truth in every tone. Me not dress up for their parade. Me wear me crown in dreadlock braid. The media twist, the system bend, but roots music never pretend. Me beat the Zion roots. Oh, Zion roots. Rise up and stand, we not bow for none. We chant Jah name under moon or sun. The wicked them run when the fire burn. The battle get rough, but the victory won. The righteous path, we trod it wide. We carry Jah light where we can't divide. The ghetto youths rise, we hold Jah guide. From the stormy seas to the mountainside. Them take the land, but them can't take soul. We chant for the truth, Jah take control. The fire of Zion, it make we whole. Rasta vibrations, we reach we goal. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. The system cold, but Jah love warm. We shield we heart from the wicked arm. The righteous rise like the morning calm. The psalms are the weapon, Jah name the charm. Them build them walls, but we break them down. We plant Jah seed in the fertile ground. We rise with the chant, the righteous sound. Babylon fall when the truth rebound. From the elder wise to the youth we stray. We guide them steps pan Jah way. The fire burn strong, it can't delay. We chant redemption for every day. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. Stand firm, me people, the mission clear. Jah light a guide, we no live in fear. We chant Jah name, it can't disappear. Rise up and stand, Jah always near. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. Rise up and stand, the battle can't done. The fire blaze strong like the morning sun. We chant Jah psalms till the wicked run. We rise for the truth, the fight just begun. Zion roots, yeah. Woo. Zion roots.
Oh, we say rise up, rise up. The struggle real, but we no give up. Jah bless me soul, me nah lose hope. Rise up, rise up. Them want see we fall, but we stand tall. No care about the system, them can't hold we down at all. We a warrior, me tell you, say me born for fight. Me light up the darkness, me shine so bright. Them try to lock me spirit in a cage. Them write the laws, but me turn the page. Just set me free, so me claim my place. Me walk with courage, me move with grace. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I said the victory are for mine. Me see Babylon Babylon, them corrupt and cold. Them sell them soul for the diamonds and gold. But me no bow, me no sell out my faith. Me chant my songs, me no fear the hate. The youth them lost, them searching for guide. Me tell them look inside, no follow the lies. Jah give we wisdom, Jah give we light. Me walk with the truth, me walk with the right. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I set the victory off for mine. Me chant for the people, me chant for the youth. Me chant for the elders, me chant for the truth. Me chant for the love, me chant for the light. Me chant for the freedom, me chant for the fight. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up. Up early, dew on ground, barefoot step where truth is found. Me hear the wind, me hear it moan, like voices of prophets long time gone. Them warn we bout chains in a silver guise. Them said the system wear disguise. Gold teeth, big screen, plastic smile, but all them path is pure big guile. Me not fall fi Babylon bluff. Me built from roots, me spirit tough. Me carry words like sacred flame. Me chant each verse in Jah name. Me see the towers high and proud, but underneath me hear the crowd screaming for justice, crying for peace. But Babylon hand never release. Dust of the prophets rise again, float through street like holy rain. Voice of truth now ever die. It live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me sit in a silence overstand, home and trade soul, fi piece of land. Them build the system strong like gate, but every gate still bound fi break. Now remember teachings of me forefathers, how them chant through fire, still them rise. Me nah go bout to take over lords. Me read me fate in Jah stars. Me words them sharp like cane machete. Me truth not sweet, but it necessary. Them try fi blur the sacred line, but I walk straight, design divine. Me not trust no politician mouth. Them smile while robbing north and south. But in a me yard, me chant me psalm. Me spirit cool, me heart stay calm. Dust of the prophets rise
rise again. Float to street like holy rain. Voice of truth not ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me see the signs pon every wall. The ancient ones still make them call. Rise up people, no more wait. Truth not come from heads of state. Me say revolution start from soul. Before we ever take back control. Free your mind, take off the chain. Dance pan style, feel the rain. Me plant me open fertile ground, where them system can't track nor hound. Me future bright, me steps them sure. Me chant feel love that will endure. Dust of the prophets rise again.
Zion roots. Oh yeah. We not bow down. Jah warriors stand strong. Babylon can't hold we down. We step out strong with Jah light in my soul. Them try to break me, but my spirit never cold. The wicked a plan, but Jah plan greater. Me keep me faith, me no wait for later. Me see the youth them lost in a illusion. System tell lies, create the confusion. But we not stop fight, we stand firm. Jah fire keep burning, make Babylon learn. Them want silence we, but we voice too loud. We rise like the sunshine bright pon the crowd. Me say unity are the key for we win. No matter the trials, we rise again. Freedom fighters, rise up high. No more tears, no more cry. We burn the chains, we break the spell. Jah lead we, all is well. Freedom fighters, stand up tall. Babylon fall, them systems small. We hold the torch, we light the way. Jah bless we every day. Them try to divide we, them try to control. But me heart too strong, me spirit too bold. Them send the soldiers, them send the spies. But Jah wisdom, open me eyes. So me chant the truth, me sing this song. Me walk with love, me stand up strong. No weapon form shall prosper here. Jah people rise, we got no fear. Me say no more chains on we hand and feet. We march for justice, we can't retreat. Truth and rights, that how we creed. We plant the seed, we watch it breed. Freedom fighters, rise up high. No more tears, no more cry. We burn the chains, we break this spell. Jah lead we, all is well. Freedom fighters, stand up tall. Babylon fall, them systems small. We hold the torch, we light the way. Jah bless we every day. Oh yeah, me say freedom. Babylon can't hold we down. Jah warriors stand strong. Jah warriors stand strong. Zion roots, oh yeah. One love, one heart. We all are Jah children, me say we can't part. Love inna me heart, me say love inna the air. Spread the good vibe, show the world that you care. Some of them a fight, some of them a war. But love is the key, me say love carry far. No matter the color, no matter the race. We all one blood, me say one human place. The world full of madness, the world full of pain. Me chant for the love, me say me chant for the name.
Jah bless the people, Jah bless the land. Me stretch out me heart, me stretch out me hand. One love family, stand up strong. No matter the struggle, we keep moving on. One love family, make we unite. No matter the darkness, we shine so bright. Them try divide we, but love bring we near. No space for the hatred, no space for the fear. Me tell the youth come together as one. The journey long, but the blessings are come. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain. Me know the sun I go shine again. We all one family, me say we all one heart. The world need the love, make the good vibes start. One love family, stand up strong. No matter the struggle, we keep moving on. One love family, make we unite. No matter the darkness, we shine so bright. No more war, no more fight. No more pain, only love tonight. No more hate, no more crime. Jah love in our we all the time. One love family, me say one love crew. Jah bless the many, Jah bless the few. Me spread the good vibes, me spread the peace. One love family, the love can't cease. Jah guide me way every night, every day. No matter what come, me never go stray. Me wake up in the morning, give Jah the praise. Sunrise bless up my heart, my soul ablaze. Life not easy, but me nah complain. Jah give me the strength, me rise up again. Them try to hold me down, but me keep my pace. Them can't stop me light, me full with grace. Them talk, but me walk, me trust in Jah, me no fear no dark. Jah guide me way when the road get rough. Jah light my path when the time get tough. Me keep my faith, me never go stray. Jah lead me every night, every day. Some boy love the riches, them chase the gold. Sell them soul for the things, one never grow old. But me rather stay humble, me rather stay true. Me no need no vanity, my spirit brand new. The system set, fi trick your mind. Babylon one, you're deaf and blind. But my eyes open, me see the way. Jah guide me steps, me never betray. Jah guide me way when the road get rough. Jah light me path when the time get tough. Me keep me faith, me never go stray. Jah lead me every night, every day. Fire burn Babylon, fire burn the lies. Me keep my focus, my eyes on the prize. Them a try distract me, them a try confuse. But me stand firm, me never lose. Me see the youth them lost, them searching for hope. Me tell them chant your name, no need for dope. The answer there, just look inside. Jah love is real, no need for hide. Me rise up my voice, me sing for the truth. Me spread Jah message to all and youth. The wicked a fight, but them can't win. Cause Jah love cleanse all the sin. Jah guide me way when the road get rough. Jah light me path when the time get tough. Me keep me faith, me never go stray. Jah lead me every night, every day. Oh Jah, me give thanks and praise for the blessings me see every single day. Me nah lose hope, me nah lose sight. Jah guide my soul through the darkest night.
blessings flow. Jah love make the whole world glow. Me wake up early, give thanks and praise. Jah guide me through the hardest days. Me no fear no evil, me walk with grace. The blessings come, me embrace. Me see the struggles, me feel the pain, but me know sunshine follow the rain. Jah blessings, them never cease. Me find my strength, me find my peace. The journey tough, but me keep me stride. Jah walk with me, me know him beside. Every trial a lesson for grow. Me stand pon the rock, me no move slow. Blessings flow from Jah above. My cup overflow with endless love. Every day, me see the light. Jah guide me through the night. Blessings fall like rain pon the land. Me trust in Jah, me hold him hand. No more sorrow, no more pain. Jah blessings fall like rain. Some a chase riches, some chase fame. Me chase righteousness in a Jah name. No silver, no gold can buy the peace. Jah love alone make the worries cease. The road get rough, the path get steep, but me keep my faith, my soul too deep. Jah guide me, Jah strong. Me sing me praise, me chant me song. The world full of chaos, full of fight, but me hold strong in a Jah light. Me see the wicked, them plan, them move, but me heart clean, me stand and prove. Blessings flow from Jah above. My cup overflow with endless love. Every day, me see the light. Jah guide me through the night. Blessings fall like rain pon the land. Me trust in Jah, me hold him hand. No more sorrow, no more pain. Jah blessings fall like rain. Whoa, oh yeah, yeah. Blessings flow. Me give thanks every day, me know. The Jah guide me keep fueling high. Me give thanks every day, me know. The Jah guide me keep fueling high. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Blessings flow. Jah love make the whole world glow. Zion roots, glitter pop in a display fit. Zion roots, the darkness come but Jah light remain. We walk on the path through joy and pain. Them try to break we, but we sustain. The fire of Zion flow through we vein. The righteous chant make the system quake. The wicked them run, them can't partake. We call Jah name, feed the world awake. The blessings flow like the morning lake. From the valleys low to the mountain high, we carry Jah love till the day we die. The truth are the weapon where we rely. Rasta vibration, we lift it high. Jah Light Eternal, it shines so pure. The love of Selassie make the world secure. We chant the psalms, the fire endure. The blessings of Zion forever sure. Babylon chains can't hold we tight. The spirit of Jah burn them out of sight. We rise with the sun, we fight the fight. We carry Jah love through the darkest night. Them plot them schemes, but Jah prevail. The righteous rise, the wicked them fail. We set the ship a sail, Jah guide we trail. The fire of truth make the system pale. We chant for the youth where I seek the way. For them Jah blessings light up the day.
The love of Jah can't ever decay. We rise up strong with the psalms we say. Jah Light Eternal, it shines so pure. The love of Selassie make the world secure. We chant the psalms, the fire endure. The blessings of Zion forever sure. Yeah man, Jah Light never dim nor fade. It blaze like the sun, make the darkness afraid. The righteous stand firm, we no get swayed. Jah Light Eternal, we life well made. Like the sun, make the darkness afraid. The righteous stand firm, we no get swayed. Jah Light Eternal, we life well made.
Zion roots. Oh, we fall down, we get back up, we rise again, me never give up. The world try to break me, me tough like a cup. Me strong in the spirit, me rising this up. We face the struggles, we face the pain, but me never let it hold me in a chain. We rise like the eagle, me fly in the rain. We trust in Jah, we free from the strain. Rise again, we rise again. We rise from the ashes, we rise from the sin. We rise again, we rise again. We walk with Jah, me ready fi win. Me face the challenge, me face the test. We trust in Jah, me know me blessed. Me rise up strong, me give me best. Me put me faith in a Jah, me heart at rest. Me rise from the sorrow, me rise from the dark. Me walk through the fire, me leave me mark. Me shine like a star, me bright like a spark. Me follow Jah's path, me leave a legacy to hark. Rise again, me rise again. Me rise from the ashes, me rise from the sin. Me rise again, me rise again. We walk with Jah, me ready fi win. Me rise through the pain, me rise through the strife. Me rise with Jah, me rise in a life. Me rise as a warrior, me rise as a wife. Me rise in a love, me rise through the strife. So me rise again, me never go down. Me rise in Jah's love, me wear me crown. Me rise again, me stand on the ground. Me rise in a victory, me free from the frown.
Let's go. Me born in a time where we scroll for truth, where likes decide the fate of youth. Them build a cage with flashy screen, while ancient spirits beg for seen. Me nah forget the drum and fire. Me chant for truth, me chant for higher. Me nah praise idols made of glass. Me walk with Jah through overpass. Me look in a mirror, me see me king, but Babylon whisper lesser thing. Me hear them voice say buy, obey, but me soul say rise, break away. Them take the culture, sell it cheap. Them water roots till them get weak, but me blood run from mountain stream. Me dream the dream, me build the dream. Digital chains round mind and soul, but I break free, me still whole. Ancestral flames light up the way. Me chant down lies every day. Digital chains in a modern shrine, but I move slow, me take me time. Ancestral fire in a me chest. Me chant for love, me chant for rest. Me say every scroll is another war. Them fight for mine, them touch a scar. Them sell illusion like precious gold, but the story real is yet untold. Me remember grandma teach me say, son them system make fi stray, but hold your ground, hold your name, hold your spark, hold your flame. Them tell the youths fi chase success, but never say how hard gets less. Me tell the youths find your pace. You not in race, you in on grace. Me nah go live with eyes shut tight. Me sight beyond the neon light. The forest whisper, ocean speak. Me learn from earth, not from the weak. Digital chains round mind and soul, but I break free, me still whole. Ancestral flames light up the way. Me chant down lies every day. Digital chains in a modern shrine, but I move slow, me take me time. Ancestral fire in a me chest. Me chant for love, me chant for rest. Me tell the people, know your worth. You not born fi Babylon curse. We born fi rise, born fi be, born fi chant down system tree. Me nah beg fi view or fame. Me write me truth, me call Jah name. Me nah bend low fi wicked deal. Me soul stay sharp like Naya Bingy steel. Me play me rhythm, me plant me yam, me build me.
Step in the morning, sun a shine so bright. Me feel the vibration, me soul full of light. Jah guide me every day, me journey feel right. Through the struggles and the trials, me keep the fight tight. Them can't stop me now, me keep the fire burn. Me roots run deep, me never will return. Me nah go back, me I go forward. Me heart full of love, me soul and me words. Jah bless, me step on the earth. Me rise from the ashes, show me words. Me roots run deep, me nah go fade. Me stay true to the path, me never afraid. Them try to break me, but me stronger than steel. The power in me blood, the fire me feel. Me walk in a Zion, me journey reveal. Me vision so clear, the truth me deal. Me nah follow the crowd, me blaze me own trail. Through the storm and the rain, me nah fail. Me free like the bird, me fly without sail. Me heart pure, me soul never frail. Jah bless, me step on the earth. Me rise from the ashes, show me words. Me roots run deep, me nah go fade. Me stay true to the path, me never afraid. Roots and culture, the foundation me stand. Me never stray from the truth, me understand. Me heart full of love, me mind full of plan. Me represent the motherland, Jah command. So me sing for the people, me sing for the soul. Me sing for the love,
that make me whole. Me roots run deep, me can't control. Me rise to the top, me set me goal.
Zion call, we hear it clear. The voice of Jah whisper in our ear. The righteous rise, them can't interfere. The love of Selassie make the burden bear. The system crumble, it can't withstand. We chant Jah name for the promised land. We walk the path where Jah command, with the power of love in our hand. Them try to distract with the shiny things, but we focus on Jah, the King of Kings. We chant for the truth, where freedom brings. The blessings of Zion make we spirit sing. Zion call, it echo high. The fire of Jah blazing at the sky. We rise on the truth, no need for lie. Zion call, we home, Jah can't deny. The valley deep, but Jah light bright. It guide we soul through the darkest night. The righteous stand firm, them hold Jah sight. We chant Jah psalms, the vibes ignite. Them take the goal, but we hold the faith. The power of Jah open the gate. We stand for the truth when no accommodate. Babylon crumble under Jah mandate. From the hills of Zion to the ghetto lane, we chant Jah name, we break the chain. The fire of Jah remove the pain. Zion call, we home again. Zion call, it echo high. The fire of Jah blazing at the sky. We rise on the truth, no need for lie. Zion call, we home, Jah can't deny. Yeah man, Zion call, the journey clear. We trod Jah path without no fear. The blessings of Jah, we always near. Zion call, we heart, we answer here. Yeah man, Zion call, the journey clear. We trod Jah path without no fear. The blessings of Jah, we always near. Zion call, we heart, we answer here.
Zion roots. Afghan hash smoke. Yeah man. Me a warrior, me fight for the truth. My heart in the struggle, me never aloof. The system try for hold me down, but me prove. Me rise like the sun, me never lose. Me link up with the elders, me hear the voice. Jah Jah call me, me nah got no no choice. Me stand on the front lines. Me hear the noise, but my spirit strong. Me make my own rejoice. Warrior of Jah, me rise up high. Me face the storm, me touch the sky. Me fight for the freedom, me never shy. Me rising out the struggle, me testify. Me put me trust in Jah, me now put it in man. Them can't break my spirit, I'm stronger than the plan. Me walk through the fire, me test the sand. Me rise up above, me stand on Jah land. Me use my words as my weapon. Me meditate, me fight for the people. Me seal my fate, me stay true to my roots. Me never late, me link with the Almighty. Me conquer hate, warrior of Jah. Me rise up high, me face the storm. Me touch the sky, me fight for the freedom. Me never shy, me rising out the struggle, me testify. Me walk with courage, my heart full of grace. Me fight for the rights of the human race. My spirit free, me not bound by no place. Me rising a love, me free from the chase. So me rise, me stand, me move through the land with Jah by my side. Me make me stand, me a warrior of Jah. Me understand, me fight for the truth till the last command. Me find me direction, me heart full of love, me soul in protection. Me follow the path for the righteous connection. Me used to be lost, me wandering blind, but Jah found me, gave me peace of mind. Me used to be trapped, me soul confined, but now me free, me no longer behind. Walk the redemption road, me free, me whole. Me let go the past, me heal me soul. Walk the redemption road, me rise and glow. Me follow Jah light, me never let go. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the pain. Me feel the blessings, me never complain. Me walk in a love, me walk in a rain. Me trust in Jah, the spiritual gain. Me used to be broken, but me found the strength. Me trust in the process, me go the length. Me learn to forgive, me heal, me lent. Me walk with the Almighty, me take the breath. Walk the redemption road, me free, me whole. Me let go the past, me heal me soul. Walk the redemption road, me rise and glow. Me follow Jah light, me never let go. Redemption me name, me know the sound. Me free from the chains, me feet on the ground.